your experience in controller drift on your Xbox Series X controller, this guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Follow these steps to address the problem effectively. Step 1. Check for software updates. Make sure your Xbox Series X and controller are updated to the latest software version. Go to Settings, select Devices and Connections, then Accessories, and check for updates. Step 2. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the thumbsticks. Ensure no dirt is lodged underneath the sticks. Step 3. Adjust dead zone settings. In some games, you can adjust the dead zone settings for the thumbsticks. Increase the dead zone slightly to see if it reduces the drift effect during gameplay. Step 4. Reset the controller. Resetting the controller can sometimes resolve issues. Press and hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds to turn it off, then turn it back on to see if the drift persists. Step 5. Consider professional repair. If the drift continues after trying the above steps, it may be time to consider professional repair services or reach out to Xbox support for assistance. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and potentially fix the controller drift issue on your Xbox Series X controller. If problems persist, seeking professional help is advisable.